Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it. So we're looking at this. It's a 2014 Kia Optima. Picked it up for 1,200 off of ACV. So it's got 2014 vehicle wholesale. Probably gonna get the hood. Have Wilson repaint the hood, or maybe what I'll do is like I know like some Kia Optimas, they come with like a little black thing that wraps over the hood. So it comes like a little black thing that goes over the hood, or I might just find like a little bra or something, like a little something that can cover the hood instead of getting it repainted. Because maybe getting it repainted, this bumper and hood, maybe more than just getting like a little black cover for the hood. I was gonna get a little black cover for the hood and like for the front bumper, go with like a kind of purple black combination, purple and black. Then I was gonna buy like some purple and black seat covers. I know these seats is tan, but I was gonna like get it detailed, and then I was gonna, cause the seats really ain't even that bad. Like, but you gotta get that little dirt and stuff off of there. But I was gonna throw like a little purple and black seat covers in here. Those look like purple and black. Need to be detailed. God. This one actually is a little higher on the miles, 209, got low tire pressure. Check engine light on, but that was like for a throttle actuator. But I don't know if I can find like a little, cause like I know I seen Kia Optimas before. They have like a little black, like it was the white one they had, then the hood was like black. It had like a little cover on it that was black. So maybe if I can find something like that. But the tires are already in good condition. It don't have like a alignment issue or nothing. I'm gonna get the oil change. What I'm gonna do is, put an Apple CarPlay in here. Cause that's one thing that I start thinking about doing on cars. I put it in another Kia Optima. I'm gonna have to go get a picture of it, of the other Kia Optima. I'm gonna drop it in here to show y'all what it looked like. But these Apple CarPlays that you can throw in these cars, they're like $100 off of eBay, 110. And they come with backup camera. They make the car look so much better. It makes it look more up to date, and then you can get a little bit more money because it's in there. The Apple CarPlay looks way nicer than the factory radio. There's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and all that. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So, any phone plugs it up, so it makes it look completely way nicer. Let's see if I can find a picture of one that I put in the Kia Optima that I already sold. And like I said, that was one of the main things that the person just kept touching with, like, oh man, this car is, it's nice, it was just something that they just kept messing with, it was something they kept. It was really the main reason why I ended up selling that car, because they wouldn't looked at other Kia Optimas, but this one had that Apple CarPlay, so it was different, so that's something that, put in the cars that's cheap, that's $110, because it was, you're gonna go try to find a factory radio or something. You'll try to, and then like now it's not as hard as it used to be, because now they make them where they bolt up to any car, so it's not like how it was, where you had to do the wire and everything like that. No, they come already custom made for this area. It'll come right here where it just automatically takes this piece out, and then you just put it in there, and it's gonna look way better. So it just automatically comes out. It hooks up the same way. You don't have to. It comes with already the wire that you hook up, and you just unplug that one, and it already comes exactly how you just need. It's really plug and play. why you really can't beat it, because now it's just plug and play. Instead of me having to cross this wire or make sure this wire, nope, it's just take that cord off, plug it in, make sure I hook up the backup camera, make sure it's adjusted, bam. You know, even if you don't want to hook up the backup camera, give it to the customer, like, hey, it does come with a backup camera, you just had to get it installed if you're not comfortable yourself installing it, you know. But appreciate everybody for rocking. Let me do one last walk around. Let me know in the comment section below what I should sell it for. I'm gonna probably say this one to tax time. Save it to tax time. Just, you know, don't really have to, but just gonna save it. The last one, get one last walk around. 2014 Kia Optima. Surprisingly, it got both fog lights. Usually when I get these cars, it's always usually missing like one. So it's nice that it got both of them. You know, it ain't gonna be nothing to change the oil, throw the detail up on there. It had a little code for a throttle actuator, but that's probably just the throttle need to be cleaned. That ain't nothing. Like all the stuff on this is just minor. This is just minor stuff. Like that throttle actuator, that's minor. Oil change and detail, that's minor. That's, you know, we knocked that out real quick. I just gotta figure out if I'm gonna bring out the cheapest route. If it's either just to repaint that, if it's cheaper just to repaint that. But then I'm like, if I repaint that, then the rest of the car, that's gonna look so fresh, and then that's gonna look different. So I don't know if it's either just to get like a little bra or something like that, or something that can cover it, like the little black thing that covers the hood, and like a little bumper, and make it look that way. Let me know in the comment section below what y'all to sell it for. I'm thinking about, you know, I paid $1,200 for it, probably a couple more $100 worth of work, depending on the paint and stuff. I probably can easily get a 35 to $4 grand, you know, 35, $4 grand, spend a couple hundred, you know, make a profit of 2,000 or something, probably make more than that. If I save it to tax time, probably can make more than that. But if it ends up selling before then, but let me know in the comment section below, is there like a type of wrap? I don't know if it's like a wrap or it's like a guard or something. I don't know, but I've seen it before. I just had to go look on eBay. But I appreciate everybody. Let me know in the comment section below. Was $1,200 a good buy on a 2014 Kia Optima? I know the mileage is kind of high, but I mean, with used cars now, all mileages, you know, everything's going to be kind of hit or miss on the miles. Some stuff is going to be up, some stuff is going to be down. It's just, you get what you can get, and if you see that you can make a profit, then you can make a profit. But I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. If y'all haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.